Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question customers who bought all products. So we are given a customer table. Here we have two columns, customer ID and product key. And this table basically tells the about customers, what is their customer ID and which all products they have bought. And this table may contain duplicate rows. Also, it is given that product key is foreign key for to product table. So like basically we have another table named product. Here we have only one column product key and it is the primary key. That means all the rows will be unique for this column product key. Now we have to write a SQL query that will give the customer IDs from customer table that what all the products from the product table, and we can return the result in any order. Like we'll see example so that we can understand this question in a better way. Like this is customer table. Here we have customer ID and the product key what all they have bought, and this is the product key. If we say for customer ID 1, it has bought product key 5 and product key 6, that is it has bought all the product keys that are present in product table. So this will return in our final output table. Also similarly 3 has what all the products which are present in the product table, so we'll return 3 also in our final output table. Now how we can approach that? So approach is simple. For every customer ID we'll see how many distinct product key he or she has bought. After that we'll find out the count of rows in product table. Since product key is the like primary key, so all the rows will be unique only, there will not be duplicate. So if for any customer id distinct count of product key is equal to number of rows present in product table, that means he or she satisfies that condition. We'll put that like we want that customer id in our final output table. So this is the primary idea. Now we'll see the actual SQL query to understand it in a better way. Like in the final output we want customer id column, so we'll select customer id from table customer. Now we'll do group by customer id. That means we'll group rows based on customer id, and for every group we'll find what is the count of distinct product key present. If it is equal to total number of like rows present in the product table, that means this is the valid thing that we want in our final output table. So we'll filter based on this condition only. And here we are using having clause because we want to filter rows after grouping is done. That's why we are not using where clause, which is used when we want to filter rows before grouping is done. After applying this query, we will get the final resultant table which we want.